sometimes when you're running shared houses, you will provide directional signs for tenants to kind of say, hey, remember to keep the kitchen clean. Hey, remember to clean the toilet after you finished so that the next person finds it in a good condition. Hey, remember to squirt disinfectant around the shower cubicle when you finish. And recently we had new tenants in a particular building, and I'd provided some new signs to help them navigate their way around living in a shared house. And then another tenant sent me a series of messages which said all of the signs he wanted me to make. So I'm going to read a couple of my favourites. So bear in mind, he wants me to print off and laminate signs for him to seriously attached to the house. So one of them says, please stop put wasted food into rain container. What he means is please don't put your food inside the water butt for some reason. Another one, please clean and tidy the kitchen areas after use. There's already that sign, but a better worded version. Then another one, which is sensible, but most people don't need to be told this, but some people do. Do not put pans or any cooking pots in the fridge while they are still hot. So that's a nice sensible one. So I was thinking, okay, let's see what we get. And then as he was getting more and more irritated, we get to the do not put the toilet brush in the toilet until you have flushed your poo. Which I thought was a good one. So do you still want to be a landlord?